No, just say hi.
Hi.
So we actually planned for this morning. Gonna go to the beach. Have some fun. See how it goes.
We turned the wrong roundabout.
Yeah, but we made it here, so
I
that's what
said it was
matters.
either one roundabout or two roundabouts. And I was like, it has no pillars. And went to the roundabout and went, looks stuffed because they must have taken out the poles. They probably didn't. I just fucked it.
That's right, so we're here now, Jen. Time to go have some fun on the beach. I'm gonna use this as like a really annoying thing to Dad. I'm gonna send a video to Dad and be like, how do you like them apples? We're going to the beach. My feet just
That went up so high.
Yeah, the one's gonna come right up near your shorts, I think.
Yeah. Jenny's crossing behind you. Look at it. Look at that.
Yeah, you.
Jump in. I have a big sunscreen smudge on my phone.
Look at this. Look at this. How much the colours on?
My bag.
Hey Jenny, how'd you like your mouthful of water? Do you reckon it was beach about 20, Jen about 1?
Look, getting water out my nose and mouth were bad, and my eyes. So my ear was clogged. It was clogged for so long. I was like, fuck, I'm going to go down.
So is it beach 20 or beach 100 and Jen 1 or nil?
Goodness me. We want to try and square up. It's attack you and they got me. The waves just got busier and busier whenever you squared up.
Yeah, let's go and square up. Let's go and square up to the ocean. And now we're just walking along like a trail path after going swimming in the water to do a trail path along Trinity. Because Jen's been here before, so I get her to show me a trail path.
Sorry?
I've been here before, so I'm going to show me a trail path.